Just wanted to do a quick rundown of all my pocket folding knives, and hopefully I can remember all the names. Kershaw Cyclone, assisted. Kershaw Trimmer, assisted. Not gonna have any room. Kershaw Ram, not assisted but flipper. Kershaw Blur, assisted. Got 2 Cyclones, 2 Shallots, one of my all-time favorite knives. Got the plain edge. Oh boy. And serrated, super nice. The speed bump, not the spec bump, just has the G10 handle instead of, I don't remember what the spec bump was made out of. Kershaw Oh So Sweet, kind of a shitty knife. Got 2 leaks, which they're okay. Just on sale, so I got 2 of them. Got a Skyline, flipper, not assisted. A Chive, I believe. Chive. I might be wrong on that one. Kershaw Breakout, super nice knife, very expensive. Auto. SOG Flash 2, serrated. SOG Aegis, whatever you want to say. Got 2 Manixes, one with non-serrated, one fully serrated. Spydercos Endura, BG10. Spydercos Native, fully serrated. Spydercos Tenacious. Sierra KT M16, huge knife with the Tanto. A Gerber Fast Draw, I can't really remember, spring assisted. Cold Steel Spartan, giant knife, huge. Cold Steel AK-47, a Kershaw Minimalist, cool little knife. Oh, Sierra KT, not a Kershaw. We got the K-Bar TDI, cool knife, and it's a Cold Steel neck knife. I don't remember the name of this one. And yeah, it's just a bunch of knives. If you want an in-depth review of any of them, just comment and tell me, and we can talk about them. Yeah, I don't know.